I'm Jamel Zanishev, founder and brewer of Heretic Brewing Company. Heretic Brewing Company was founded in 2010. We brewed our first beer in 2011. We've been here in Fairfield since 2012. We have a full-on distillery. We make ready-to-drink cocktails in cans. If you come to the tap room, we've got cocktail service as well. Well, the main reason to recommend Fairfield is the city. People don't realize that there's a lot of infrastructure to support manufacturing in Fairfield. Other businesses are here. For example, we're a brewery and there's already a bulk canning plant just a mile down the road. You know, we use cocoa powder in one of our beers, and there's a Guittard chocolate location here. If you need things like water, good trucking, or other aspects of manufacturing, Fairfield has it. I think Fairfield is an amazing place with amazing residents that support local business and make it just a joy to do business here. I would highly recommend Fairfield to any manufacturer, any business. You can trust the city to do the right thing to help you and help the community.